brakes locking up on it.
I think it's dragging.
Yeah. That's pretty toasty. So we've got our 1920 Cunningham in the shop, and we did a pre-check on it yesterday for our maintenance drive, our exercise on the car. Everything was good. Took it out this morning, did a couple laps around the parking lot, gave a couple short rides to some of the team members here. Wanted to do a short test drive around the airport area just to make sure before we put it on its 30-mile exercise. And lo and behold, a brake problem arose. Yep, you seem pretty warm.
As we were driving the car, the left rear tire started to skip and locked the brake up. Everything was good until it wasn't. We got it back in here today, and we've taken a look at the brake system on it. We first believed that maybe a pad had come apart, and that seems to be okay. So we're going to go through and check all the linkage, check the drag side to side on the car, and hopefully get it repaired here really quick and get it back out on the road maybe first of the week. This is an access panel for the brake system, and the internal brake on this is actually the hand brake, and the external pad is actually the foot brake. So this is an inspection cover we removed, and Bill and I rotated it around to make sure none of the lining had come off inside. And so far everything looks good. It's got a lot of drag on it, so we're hoping it's just an adjustment at this point. So we'll give it checked out here in the next couple hours or so, and hopefully be back on the road soon.